Colby. What? I can't hear you. Colby. What? What? Really? Oh my goodness. That too? What? You should keep your hands out of your mouth. And keep your tongue in your mouth. You don't want to? Well, when you get teeth, then your tongue will stay in there, usually. What do you think?